Welcome to the TOROSIETE Museum of Contemporary Art. Today, I'm sitting inside of Amy Norby's exhibition, Perplexing Odyssey. This exhibition is an exploration of the human subconscious. Amy creates these works with resin, allowing her to add many layers, which creates a three-dimensional look and depth, and allows reactions to be captured between multiple mediums that otherwise would not mix together. Amy says, quote, "I use these qualities to create cloud-like formations and patterns, a relative feast for your eyes to explore and your imagination to run free. In the chaos and ugliness of the world today, I want people to find beauty and peace. What I hope the viewer takes away from my work is a sense of serenity." Let's take a look at this piece, Electric Blue Dreams. In Electric Blue Dreams, you can really see how Amy's technique of applying layers of paint between layers of resin creates a multi-dimensional work with overlapping levels. This piece also includes some reflective materials in the base layer that capture the light. Now I'm showing you the piece using live video footage of the work being stationary but moving a light source across the work. Notice how lower levels of the work shine through the upper layers and how caverns and shadows appear on the base layers. As you gaze at one of Amy's works in real life, the way that each layer catches the light and the angle in which you view the work completely change the color, create shadows within the work, and showcase the reactions the paint makes with itself, all encased in the resin. Now I want to show you another piece in this exhibition, titled Sunset over the Blue Lagoon. In Sunset over the Blue Lagoon, because of its strong yellow base layer, you can really see the distinction between the base layer and upper layers of this work. Cloud-like formations can be seen. Once we start moving the light source across the work, it is striking how the upper layers cast shadows on the lower layers. This mesmerizing effect is a common element of Amy's resin works. You get a sense of movement as you look across the painting. As your eyes focus on the background, the foreground seems to drift across the painting like clouds in the sky. Experience Perplexing Odyssey by Amy Norby in the TOROSIETE Museum of Contemporary Art. Visit it at amy.torosiete.com, where you'll find this artist has multiple exhibitions in her 3D virtual galleries. Visit our museum gallery store to shop for fine art prints and originals of Amy Norby's works at shopamy.torosiete.com.